Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys know how important it is to scrub or exfoliate your skin, especially during summers and monsoons. Using a scrub can not only make your skin look beautiful but also youthful, soft and like it's glowing. So in today's video, I will show you guys few steps that you all must follow while scrubbing or exfoliating your skin. And then I will review the scrub from Plum. This was my first time of using a skincare product from this brand. And I must say I'm quite satisfied with this product. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so talking about this product, I love the creamy and smooth texture of this scrub. I think it is very gentle and it leaves your skin soft and supple. Most importantly, unlike other scrubs, it does not cause any dryness and irritation at all. But I think it does not remove any blackheads at all, and also it is overpriced. So if you are looking for a light or very gentle scrub for your sensitive skin, then go for it. Lastly, one more important thing, always make sure to not use scrub more than twice or thrice a week, especially if you have a dry skin. And that's all for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also go and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys on next Sunday. Till then, bye.